How to download Paramount Plus on Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X. So this is going to show you how to install Paramount on your Xbox device. So first of all, on the Xbox dashboard here, you're going to want to go along to the search menu. You just simply want to start typing in Paramount, and then eventually on the top left hand side you should see it there without having to type in the full Paramount Plus. You can just go ahead and click on that. Then in the bottom left hand corner you can click on Get. It's free to download and install, so you can click Get Free right there, and then you can go ahead and click on Got It when you see the success menu pop up. Then it will start installing. You can view it in queue, so you can go into your game section for queues. It's also other downloads, not just games. Remember as well, if you have other things downloading, you want to pause the installation for them. If you're doing like big updates and other things, you can pause them, etc. And then make sure you can go ahead and then click on the start button to actually start installing it, like so. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.